Pine tree trader in the building. We talking price action, we talking freedom. From the charts to the screen, we live. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, I wake up, sun hitting the pines, eyes on the candle, market volatility, more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar forming, till the doubt disappeared. Then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Patience is the virtue, waiting for the breaks. I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the pine tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move. Take profit trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list. Apex Trader 5, the profits exist. Hosted on the TV, funded futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, take profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the Trader 5 flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, funded futures TV. Showing every trade, total transparency. Lucid charts open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. Built a kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdrawal requests, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine tree trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring. The rhythm of the market is a beautiful thing. Inside bar, hold, outside bar, go. Watch the P&L just continue to grow. Yeah, daily payouts, funded futures TV. Shout out Apex, shout out Trader 5. Keep it lucid, we out. Shout out. Yeah, Pine tree trader in the building. We talking price action, we talking freedom. From the charts to the screen, we live. Let's go. Let's go. I wake up, sun hitting the pines, eyes on the candle. Market volatility, more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar forming till the doubt disappear. Then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Patience is the virtue, waiting for the breaks. I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the pine tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move. Take profit trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list. Apex Trader 5, the profits exist. Hosted on the TV, funded futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, take profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the Trader 5 flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, funded futures TV. Showing every trade, total transparency. Lucid charts open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. Built a kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdrawal request, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine tree trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring. The rhythm of the market is a beautiful thing. Inside bar, heart, hold outside bar. Go, 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 go. Watch the P&L just continue to grow, grow, grow. Yeah, funded futures TV. Shout out Apex, shout out Trader 5. Keep it lucid, we out.
Yeah. Trader, charts lit, wrist tight, inside bars only. Let's work.
I'm trading in the pines, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah, they fund the dream. Inside bar breakaway, patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk of fine, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah, we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Wake up pre-market, NY session on. Levels from the overnight, buyers ready drawn. Inside bar forming, volume going quiet. That's the market talking, telling me be patient. AQ moving fast, ES play it smooth. YM respect the highs, let the candle choose. Prop firm rules, yeah we play it right. One trade a day, still we done by noon. No gambling, this chestnut dice. RR clean, that's the pine tree life. They chasing candles, I'm chilling in the zone, waiting on the break, then I'm gone. I'm trading in the pines, futures on the screen. Prop firm capital, yeah they fund the dream. Inside bar break, wait patient and I lean. One candle tell me everything I need. No FOMO, no chase, let it come to me. Risk defined, stop tight, that's discipline. Daily payouts, yeah we stack it clean. Inside the range, then we break free. Yeah, funded to live, that's a different feel. Trade, they take profit, apex on the deal. Evaluation passed, now it's...
Yo, what's up? What's up? Sorry, I was trying to figure out how to get my thumbnail. I forgot to put my thumbnail in when I was... before I started streaming, and I'm trying to figure out how to put it back. What's up? Johnny buys land, Tony Gold. Johnny, what's up? What's going on? First on the screens, let's go. Trader's Nest, Son of Wall Street. What's up? Lay in the house, full tilt, wiser than most. What's going on? West Side Pine. What's going on? Genie in the house, Miracle. Not Dexter in the house, Real Robot, Red Spy, Kyle, A Trades, Russell Singh, Lay, Brian, XI, QLC. Thanks for becoming a member. Let's go. Keep it lucid. That's right, Nate. Yeah. Oh, we got some more news. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, Brian. Thanks, XI. Thanks for the membership. It's Mo Bro in the house. Yeezus. Not Dexter. Madine in the house. Rage GT. Jip Smith. Beanstalk. Let's go. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to change my thumbnail here. Let me okay, it says go to YouTube Studio. Okay. Navigate to live tab under the content. Check. Click your active stream and upload a new image in the thumbnail section. Click the active stream. Where's the thumbnail section? I don't see no thumbnail section. That's in big bold letters. Brian, Michelle, what's going on? Jip Smith, Logic Mind in the house. It's up here. Click this. Yeah, I think they're lying to me. I think they're lying. Miss K in the house, Tommy C, Cato, Brown and Yellow, Son of Wall Street. Let's go. How was everyone's day? How was everyone's day today? Let's see here. Maybe if I do this. Nope. Oh well, I don't know. I don't know how to do it. Typical. Or click the options icon and select to change upload.
In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube video's thumbnail image after you've already uploaded the video.
So bear with me, guys.
On desktop first,
I'm learning something here.
on iPhone and show you how to do it on the mobile YouTube app as well. So first things first here, go ahead and go to your YouTube studio. Log into your YouTube account. Go ahead and click in Studio here in the upper left-hand corner. And here we are under Dashboard. You want to go to the Content tab. This will show all of your uploaded videos.
Oh, after
Once
uploading.
it's uploaded, it will show as public over here under Visibility.
Well, I know how to do that. Oh well. What's up? Brady bust. Miracle. Took one loss and moved on. Nice. One trade. Got 1,400 to the bank from Lucid. It was a good day. Let's go. I took out $1,000 out of the live account. Trade day live. My very first trade day live payout. So I took $1,000 today. Paid for some evals right from the tilt day the other day. What's up, Smokey? Bear Trader. I'm down 800 in my fund. I just need 3 more days till payout. So now what I do with $100 left and drawdown. Now what do I do? I mean, the only thing that you can really do is try to grind it back, just trading small. I mean, it's the only thing you can really try to do. Well, starting over blackout news. I mean, just trying to trade a few micros. It's the only thing you can really do. Like 1 micro, 2 micro. I mean, you only got $100 left in drawdown. I mean, ideally just one micro and try to bring it back. Might take a while. Full port it or trade 1 micro. Yeah, you got 2 options, right? Full port it or that's for sure. So I do have a Lucid account to give away tonight to you guys. Now I want to let's see. So I can do I can do things a little bit differently, maybe. Let's see how it. All right, market's open, a little gap down. We like that. Finally. Now is it going to continue? We all know this war is not over, but I just trade what I see on the charts. I try not to trade what I see on the news. All right, a little gap down here. So last day for Apex, guys. Last day for Apex, 90% off if you're trading with any of those accounts with Apex. It ends in 6 hours. 90% off, ends in 6 hours. I got a few accounts here. How's Top Step autocorrect to Rooster? Let's go, Max Mill. How did trading go there in the morning stream? Pretty good, Apple, actually. You were telling me to full port it. Yeah, I ended up passing that account. And ended up hitting daily loss limit on it on the funded already. So I'm still kind of feeling a little tilty. I'm excited for the weekend. The trade day live account made one trade today, made $300. And withdrew 1,000. So that was pretty much the highlight of the week. Besides that, not a great week. $28,601. So really came off the highs there. We have a all-time high sitting up there right around 944, 945 area. 28,944. It's really come off the highs. Do we get some continuation? That is the key. Are we going to get the big move down? We definitely have some room to go. Take a look at the hourly here. Looking a little topish. Finally, maybe we get a little something. But who really knows? Put in a nice harami here. This is the daily chart. Absolutely insane. The up and to the right move. Completely parabolic. Do we go with a gap? Are we actually going to have a gap down that holds? Was $230 away from blowing up my rooster. The rooster this morning and brought it back to $1,000 from MLL. Oh, okay. I gotcha. My Top Step. What indicators are you using? Oh, the VWAP is one. I got the Finet fair value gap up here. So the Finet fair value gap, I take little scalps off these sometimes off the 5-minute chart. And then I have inside outside bar indicators. And all it does is just highlight it, right? So it just highlights the inside outside bars. It just paints them yellow for inside, and outside bars are light pink. Made a little 1520 there. Let's go. Did a nice 3,051 on a Lucid Flex. Oh, nice. No small day for you, but nice for everyone else. No, kind of just struggling right now. So or struggling this last week. So I ended up just kind of trying to base hit it on the fundeds. Just trying to base hit it. Just looking for the little scalps. $300, $400, calling it. That's pretty much what I've been doing lately. After the little tilt session there. Saved my account with that move this morning. Oh, let's go. Gold up a mead. Oh yeah, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do something a little different tonight because I only have one account to give away, and I want to give the members a better chance to win. So exclamation point pine in the chat, and you'll see right here what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw 10 names. And then we're gonna I think I'm gonna draw 20 names, and then we'll run it into the moose race. So exclamation point pine in the chat. And see, when you're a member, you see you get 6 chances. You see that? You get an extra 5 tickets. So when I do the random, when I pick a winner, it's going to give the members an extra 5 tickets. So I'll pick a winner. I'll draw 20, and then I'll copy those 20, and then put them in the moose race. And then we'll race the moose race, and then the winner will take the 50K Lucid Flex account home. So I only have one account right now to give away. So We see all the members right there. Get 6. Cali St. Louis fan, Medine. You guys see that? So good chance that you get drawn. So we'll do that. And then yeah, come next week and going forward this month, we'll hopefully get some more accounts to give away, and then I'll do it back to you know, the normal member only moose races and stuff. And then because I really appreciate that support there. What's up, Pine? I thought I would just stop, pop in and say hi. I'm taking a break from trading. Let's go, Sonic Rules. Nothing wrong with that. I would just keep passing evals, but blowing my PA after 2 to 3 days. Want to reset and find a new start. I like it. Yeah, it's you gotta take that mental reset. I need one. I need one for sure. Six chances for member. This is how the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. It's $5 to be a member. It's not like, I mean, it's $100 account. So I hear you. You just got to quit being poor. That's it. Pull yourself up by the bootstraps. Let's go. Come on. This is America. I'm just kidding. I'm totally joking, by the way. I'm joking. I have a dry sense of humor. This is America. Operation Freedom. Let's go. Area code number 1. No, I'm just joking. Oh, so so anyways, I lost my train of thought, but yeah, so we're doing, I don't even know what I was saying. I'm just gonna start over. We're rich. Yeah. No, it's all good. I mean the reality is I've given away more accounts lately than ever before, so, and I don't mind. I mean, I think it's good for the stream. It's good for, I love to give back to you guys, and that's it. I mean, it doesn't cost me anything when I get these accounts. It just costs me my time in promoting these firms, right? But they give me those accounts for free, so I like to give them to you guys. You know, my job comes in streaming and posting and all that good stuff, promoting the prop firms, and in turn, you guys use code PINE, and then they give me free accounts, and then I give them back, try to give them back to you guys as giveaways. Oh, Sammy, I know. We're just playing around. We're just playing. What's up, Piero in the house? Yeah, you're giving accounts on the daily almost. Yeah, we've been giving away accounts on daily. That's why I only have 1 left. So hopefully I get some more. It is a new month, so I can start hitting these companies back up. So yeah, I've been giving out almost 2 accounts a day for a while. All right, push it up here. 614, 615. Thank you, Kato. Oh yeah, we gotta smash that like button though. Yeah, that's a good point, Miss K. I gotta put that. And so we do have non-farm payroll tomorrow. Which should be interesting. Boom. Last Apex 90% off sale today, ends today. What's up, Keegan in the house? Jeff Smith, what's up? Greg Acer, what's going on? G-Strand, Ryan Wiggins. Are we going back up? I don't know. It makes you just kind of want to just like kind of roll the dice and just say, well, maybe we'll just we actually keep this gap open, you know? Let's take a look at the 2 minute. Yeah, 2 minute, very choppy at the moment. Looking like it wants to push back up. I can't believe we pushed down to 541. I've already bounced up to 616. Looking like it wants to try to fill the gap here. ES. You know, it has a little gap too. You know what was interesting on YM today? YM absolutely sold off and dumped at the market open. I ended up catching the short. But yeah, it actually sold off all day long. And Nasdaq was just making new highs. Nasdaq's I don't really care what's going on. F you. AI bubble. We don't care. We're just going to go to all-time highs. And it's just kept going higher. And saying F you shorts. We're going higher. YM's just like tanking. Pushing lower. You know, the Dow. The old man Dow. Nasdaq just don't care. Nasdaq just filled the gap. See? Ooh, a little outside bar. I missed it. Oh man, just like last night, I missed it. I was messing around. Here's what I gotta do. I gotta put the 5 minute. I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna try to do something like this. No, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. Because I keep missing stuff. Now, I want to pay attention to the scalp off the 2 minute. But occasionally you get a really good setup based off the 5 minute chart. So you get an inside bar followed by an outside bar or something like that. And I constantly miss it because I can't look at 2 charts at once, especially when I'm streaming. So yeah, City Vibes, you have it like that. So I'm gonna try it a little bit. I don't know, it might take a bit to get used to, but I'm gonna try it. I need an extra wide screen. There we go. Something like that. Miss K says smash that like button. Thank you guys. It's Pine Friday today. The Pine Tree Trader stream Friday. I'm also streaming on X. I don't know how that works. It's the first time I've ever done it. Look, it says I'm live. That's kind of cool. Let's hit the like button there. Yeah, it's the first time I've ever done this. Had to pay extra. $189 to do that. How stupid is that? Got an outside bar on the 5 minute chart. All right, getting up. We filled that gap. Did ES fill the gap? Take a look at ES here. Yep, ES filled the gap as well. 251 watching, 107 likes. Smash that like button. Let's get it up to 300. We'll do a Lucid giveaway. We'll try that new way of doing it. This way Nutty does it, I think. I kind of like running them all together, but gap is filled. It's always the first time. It always, yeah, exactly. It's always the first time. Yeah, so today was a pretty good day. Oh, I ended up passing 3 take profit trader accounts today. 3. Thank you for the sub, Hump Daddy. Let's go. Hump Daddy in the house. Yeah, I passed 3 take profit trader accounts today. So that's a good thing. Ooh. Look at that move. Market only goes higher. Just Jeremiah in the house. Yeah, so anyways, my point was is like, so my goal, here's my goal coming up. Here's my next goal. So I had my live account with Trade Day. I took 3 50K account end of day trade day accounts. So it was 3 50K end of day trade day accounts. I milked them for $600 a day. So 250 times 3 minus the commissions. And I milked them for quite some time, like 2 weeks or so. Just kept milking them. And finally they moved me to live, right? So they took all the 3 remaining, the 3 accounts. The $2,000 drawdown on each. And it was like 6,100. They took 6,100, they moved it into the live account. So that's what I have. I have 1 account on Trade of 8 Live. With Trade Day, that's $6,100 in drawdown. I got it up to 7,000 today, just over 7,000. I withdrew $1,000. So I withdrew $1,000. I might, and then my plan is to withdraw weekly instead of daily on the account. But I'm only going to be trying to trade one account per day. I mean, one trade per day on that account, and that's it. I'm gonna look for right around $200 to $300, win or loss. I'm also gonna risk about $200 to $300, and I'm just gonna do that over and over and over and over again every single day. And at the end of the week, come Thursday, I'm not gonna trade it on Friday either. I'm not gonna trade it on Friday. And then at the end of the day on Thursday, come next week, I'm gonna try to make another withdrawal. So whatever money I make, I'm gonna try to make another withdrawal out of it at the end of next week. So that's the goal with that. So that account is like that's like put away. That's it. And then the goal now is to take profit trader and do the exact same thing with 5 accounts. So 5 pro accounts. I want to milk them to the bone with 5 pro accounts. And then and then if they move me to live with 5 pro accounts to pro plus, so be it. Because the nice thing with Take Profit Trader is that you get moved to live with the 5 accounts. They don't just combine all of them into one. They actually take and move each individual one into pro plus, so you can still copy trade them. And the beauty, you can really find out or see the power of copy trading is when you take in 3 or 4 or 5 accounts, especially daily payout accounts, over the buffer, and then you copy trade them all. And let's just say you make $100 on each account, trading just maybe a few micros once they're over the buffer. And let's just say you make $100 times 5, that's $500 a day that you can withdraw into your account. And you're not putting it a lot at risk. So you're just trading it fairly reasonable, trying to make $100 on each account once they're over the buffer. And that really, really shows you the power of compounding each one of those accounts. So that's what I want to do with the Take Profit Trader next. I mean, that's always been the goal. I mean, I've done it before, but now I'm seeing that I can actually do it consistently enough to move into a live account with Trade Day. And this is the first live payday that I've ever had. So this is another thing in the books for me. So yeah, pretty cool. Is it the same with Lucid? I don't know. Is it the same with Lucid? I don't know. Has anyone gone live with Lucid? Do you know if they move all 5 accounts to live? I feel like it's not, but Do I have a personal account? I really should. No, there's really no reason for me to have a personal account because I have a Trade-Of-8 live account. So it's literally like it's like trading a personal account. There's no, and the beauty of it is I have $6,000 in drawdown, and I still only have $300 something invested in the account, and I've probably gotten. So like even if I blow the account, it's still $300 out of my pocket. So yeah, so for me, Christoph, I mean, I get it. I mean, some people like to have that, but I don't. And plus, I'm still kind of banned from Trade-Of-8 personal account. So for being a bad boy once, and I haven't. It's all been resolved, but I haven't been back to fix it. So I actually have a personal account through who is it? It's oh, I forget. Iron Beam or something like that. I don't know. Do you know the accounts that move to Pro Plus after they get blown, you can come back and request a payout with a balance 50% split? Do I know that, or yeah, I think you can. Oh yeah. So go back if you, yeah. No, I've had Pro Pluses and I've withdrew all the money that I could. No, it's not just about advertising, Christoph. It's just about math. And like I can't trade a personal account consistent enough to not blow it. If I put in $6,000 of my own money into a live account, and I go on tilt like I did the other day, I lose $6,000, not $300, right? Because it's 100% risk to me. So like that's the reason, and there's no need, because literally, when I made that withdrawal today, you know, that money goes right into the bank account, like goes right into my checking account. So it's like I don't even care like if I have a live account. Like, I don't even care. Like, I'd rather just milk prop firms. They can send me 1099s. It like, literally doesn't matter to me. Like, wherever the money comes from, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Like SK says, it doesn't matter. But, yeah, it's just, like, for me, it doesn't. Like, there's no pride. To me, the pride is making money. Like, that's it. Making money, paying my bills. Like, I don't care if I'm in a live account. I don't care if I'm trading a personal account. It's like, I don't give a crap, you know. I'm not Dakota. I don't, you know, it doesn't grow any inches to what I got down there, you know. It doesn't add any inches to me. It's just like, I don't know. I don't know where I'm going with that, but I hear you. But it was my very first payout. So there's actually three things that's happened this year. For one, I've gotten my highest payout ever with Apex. Two, there's like 3 records that I just broke. Highest payout ever this year. Highest amount of payouts probably this year already. Over like 100,000 something already this year. And then 2 is I blew an eval when I only needed 20 cents live on stream. That has to be a record of mine. And then 3, I got finally got a live payout through a prop firm. So actual live payout. I've been live with 3 different companies. I've been live with TopStep, I've been live with Take Profit Trader, and I've been live with Trade Day. And this is the very first payout I've ever got on a live account. So yeah. Compliance, Dan. So I had a wash sale. So I had a wash sale under compliance. And what I did was I was trading multiple browsers, and it was on a personal account. And I did one of these numbers. I had a buy and a sell accidentally on the same price. with like, I don't know, 15 micros on each side. And compliance reached out and I didn't see it. It went in my spam folder. And so I never reached out back to compliance. And then CME reached out to me. And then I ended up, settling it with the CME and everything. And I was just like, oh yeah, and it was just a mistake. And they were like, oh yeah, okay, whatever. And then Tradeovate never fixed it because I didn't fix it with Tradeovate. I never sent them my compliance letters back, which I still have. I still have my compliance letters in my archives of my email where I screwed up. So I had a wash sale. So I was so panicky about it, Dan. Like it gave me so much anxiety when I did it because at the time I didn't have hardly any money. And of course they're like, this is a serious offense and blah, 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 blah. And, you got the CME lawyers like writing me letters and I'm going, oh my God, like, what am I going to do? I didn't mean to do it. It's like, I'm sorry and all this stuff. Turns out, it was all fine and I took care of it, but I had so much angst about it. I never put another dime into Tradeovate and on that personal account ever again. And that was 2 years ago, maybe 3 years ago. Yeah. That's what happened. They look at a 10. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't mean to. And the dumb thing is? You know what the dumb thing is? Is that, Pamela, you've already come a long way since tilting the other night. Yeah, thanks. I missed a lot in the chat, guys. If you guys got any questions, throw it in the chat. But here's the weird thing. I'm short here with a cheap stop here at the highs on this eval. Here's the weird thing. Is like you would think that you wouldn't be allowed to do it. Like even by mistake, like Tradeovate shouldn't allow you to do it. Like you can't do it with like E-Trade, but you can do it on Tradeovate easily. You can just go buy here, sell here. You can just do that by mistake, That candle's a little bigger than I thought. Jewish Daily ran into the same issue with AMP. Yeah. Well, I understand completely why you don't have a personal account. Oh, Christoph. I mean, I still can. Because it's not like I was guilty of anything or anything. It was just an honest mistake. But yeah, to me, I'm just like, heck with it. Yeah, that's it. And Dan, the thing was, I was on a laptop. See, here's the thing. I was on a laptop. And I was trading prop firms too. So I had prop firms. I had a personal account. I had all these tabs going. Like it was like 10 tabs, it seemed like. And yeah, it was just a mistake. I was like scalping and I was in and out. And at the time I barely even had a strategy. They asked me what my strategy was. I was like, if I see the market going down, I try to go short, I don't know. It was just funny. Can happen with slippage too. Yeah, it can. Resting orders. Yeah. Oh, it was so stressful. I was on, guys. I like lost sleep over it. The funny thing is like what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. That whole saying, and it's like, and that's the thing. It's like, you think like that was like something bad that happened in your life, and then all of a sudden it's like, oh, they can be worse. There always can be worse. But like losing sleep over that was just silly. All right, 2 minis here. Trying to get a little flush down here. See if we can take profit at 1. Ooh, oh, really? Just missed me there. So these 50 levels, they've been bouncing off these 50 levels quite hard. I'm actually going to take one off here. I don't trust this. It's hard to trust these shorts. All right, I'm out of one there. Just average down a bit. But yeah, it's been bouncing off these 50 levels. Guess my way in, guess my way out. Hey, what's up, Dynamite? Good to see you. It's cool I have 2 charts up now. I'm just trying it. Basically, I'm focusing on this. I don't want it to influence what I'm doing on the 2-minute, like when I'm in a trade. But I might just see a setup on the 5-minute. So we do have an inside bar on the 2-minute. Because I don't need, it's like paralysis by overanalysis. But what I find, so I'll show you guys in a minute as soon as I get out of this trade. There's a really nice setup that I've been liking on a 5-minute chart, but it only happens maybe 2 or 3 times a day if we're lucky. And I'll show it to you in a minute. And I want to watch for it in case it happens. Please explain the candle colors. Sure. So it's that this light pink candle is an outside bar engulfing candle, right? So it swept up above that previous candle and engulfed the whole thing, and it closed down below it, or wick down below it. And I simply look for the short break off it, and then the stop goes above. The yellow candles are inside bars. They're inside that whole previous candle. So the bar and the wick. And I trade them pretty much the same way, but I don't really trade them on 2-minute chart yet. I might start, but I don't trade them yet. I do trade them on this 5-minute. So in this case, I would add to the short, or go short here off this inside bar. So I'd short here, and then I'd place a stop above, and then I would just look for, well, I'm pretty discretionary on where I take profit. You kind of got to get a good feel of it. But I'll be transparent, like during New York or whatever, if I take a trade like this with 1 mini and I make 200, 300 bucks on the trade, I'm done on the day on a funded account. That's what I do. I'll take and I'll scalp it 200, 300 bucks, and that's it. But on an eval, you know, I'll look for a little more. Whoa! Hello. Good night. That's why you have your stops in. That's why you got your stops. Oh, Cody, you asked a question. I might have missed it. You go back. Have you ever thought about getting an LLC when routing your wins through that instead of a 1099 and save so much in taxes and more? Yeah, I gotta go talk to someone about that, Cody. But yeah, I don't know what I'm doing when it comes to this. I need to go talk to an advisor for sure. That's the next step. I'm trying to get my health in order. You know, that's number 1 right now. Trying to get my my health in order. So once I get that in order, and then I gotta get on the financial order side of it. Yeah, it must have been some sort of tweet. Beautiful setups though. I mean, got lucky, right? It went our way because we've taken these setups before, and then it goes against you. And how come my take profit had no slippage whatsoever, huh? How come that? If I had a stop up there, it would have ripped my face off. And dividends for keeps. Also, I made 300 a day. Let me go back to your questions here. Can you answer a question for me? I have a Lucid 50K account, select accounts. I have 5 accounts. I was thinking that they were like Lucid Flex. Well, I made 1,500 on day 1 and 2. So what's the consistency on those flexes? Is it 40%? So as long as you're under the 40%, let's take a look. I just so happen to have Lucid pulled up. So the nice thing about Lucid is they do have a great Q&A or frequently asked question thing. So Lucid Flex, and then we're gonna go to all information with Lucid Flex. So let's take a look. And then Lucid Flex payouts, boom. So Lucid Flex. So you have to make, oh wait, you have a Lucid Pro. What did you say you had? A Select. Wait, you have a what? You don't, there's no selects. I might be reading this wrong. Ain't no SK? Yeah, I know. Oh, Tradeify 50K selects. And you have the growth, Tradeify 50K growth. Because the select, you choose the, you can choose either one. Are you on the eval or funded? You're on funded, right? Dividends for keep. What's up, Coach Fred? What's up, Jay Ray? Yeah, no consistency on the flex, exactly. Okay, Tony Lanes, yeah, thank you. Yeah, I'm very confused, dividends for keeps. So you have the select accounts. Are you on the eval or funded? Because there's the select, there's two different ones. Oh, evals. Oh, I gotcha. No, the evals you have to trade for 3 days. And you have to stay under 40% consistency, unfortunately, I think. Let me go back. I actually have not passed one of those accounts yet. Yeah, select evals. All right, 3 days due to consistency rule. So it's 40%. So no single day can be more than 40%. So yeah, you're right. You're over it. So you're $1,500 each. So that means you have to make more money. You have to make more money. So if they're 50K accounts, because it's 40% consistency. So you can't just flip. The minimum days you can pass a Tradeify Select account is 3 days. Yeah, I don't have any control of the ads. Sorry, Lauberdauber. Yeah, I don't have control of the ads. Yeah, I mean, the reason why I have it on, part of the reason is that it pushes the YouTube algorithm out when you have ads on. I don't make that much. I make like $300 a month off it, but it does help push the, because they sell ad space on it, you know. You use my code so you don't have to use ads. Yeah. Yeah, you can, if you have YouTube Premium. I have YouTube Premium for just for the music alone. But that's all I watch is YouTube, so I have the Premium. I don't even use Netflix or anything anymore. It's all YouTube. Yeah, Adrian Chong. So Adrian, you see Adrian's name there? Give you a shout out, Adrian. Look at this. This is Adrian in the chat. 244,000 subscribers. That's why his name's highlighted like that. It's all this game. It's all gaming. It's War Robots. I gotta ask you something, Adrian. How the heck do you play a game like this over and over for years? You must play some other games. Don't you get... You must get bored with it, no? 11 years ago, he was playing this game. Holy cow. Always comes back to War Robots. That is crazy. How long are we streaming tonight? I'm going to try to stream till about 8 o'clock. So we go along on the 5-minute inside bar. Yeah, it's a little discretionary how I do it. I don't take every one. During New York, I look for the very first one. But I try to just kind of read overall price action. Like, what are we trying to do? Like, where are we trying to push to? Like what's the area of interest? That's what I try to do before I hop in on some of these. You know, I don't like just hop in every single one. Now, outside bars on the 5-minute chart are very powerful candles. These tend to be the best one. I was going to talk a little bit about my favorite setup lately. See if I can find one. Right here. Here's one. Okay, you have an inside bar followed by an outside bar. You don't take the inside bar, right? But you look for this I guess it would be like a three candlestick pattern. So you got the first bar, then you have an inside bar, and then you have an outside bar. You look for the break on the outside bar. So in that case, it would have been short, right? So you would look for the short. Stop would have went above here. And then you target whatever. But you can see it provided a really nice move off it. Now, you did take some heat, right? So it's one of those things where you couldn't have been in too heavy. Because if you were in one mini, you probably would have got beat up pretty bad. But looking at that pattern, once it did flush, finally, my hotkey's not working here. There we go. You know, you could have got a nice move on it. I mean, a max profit of 74 points, but you know, in an ideal world. But yeah, that's one of my favorite patterns that I've been looking for lately, is an inside bar on a 5-minute chart followed by an outside bar. And it's because, like, I've been trapped on these inside bars so many times. Like, if this broke to the upside, so you went long, and you might have got a little scalp off it, but then it immediately kind of pulled back and took you out, right? And then you'd flip the switch and go short. So instead of just doing that, I just been looking for that pattern right there. And if I see that, I'm taking that every time. Every single time I'm taking that. Will it work every time? No. Here's another one. And it doesn't happen very often, but here's another one here. You had an inside bar followed by an outside bar. You take the break. Boom. 115 points off that. You know, max profit, obviously. So that's the kind of like a 3 candle pattern that I've been looking for on the 5-minute chart. You actually kind of got it here too, but you know, you had the inside bar followed by an outside bar, and it finally broke it and went down, but I wouldn't count that. I'm a short again here off this outside bar. Stops at 631. I don't know, it's sitting right on that VWAP, and you know what it does like this time of day. It likes to just kind of chop that VWAP. But maybe we try to run that wick on that little news candle on an eval only here. We'll sling it around. You lose money in games, you just restart or respawn again. Yeah. Trump tweeted Navy attacked Iran ship. It's down at the bottom of the sea. Uh-oh. Yeah, so the whole we're gonna be making a deal, probably not. I feel like it's gonna escalate, you know. How much do traders on YouTube make for someone buying one account with their code? Like a couple bucks. Depends on the account. It depends on the account. It depends which prop firm. It depends on which account. You know, $4 or $5 sometimes. $20,000 a day. That's what Patrick Whelan makes with affiliates. So that'll give you an idea. He's top though. He's the cream of the crop when it comes to affiliates. $20,000 a day. Oh man, blackout news. Yeah, I'm sorry to hear that, bud. Fund my options again. At least I had a winning month. Oh, okay, blackout, man. I'm sorry to hear that. Yeah, the challenges are tough. So what I do now is I just buy straight to funded accounts if I can afford it. I'll just go right to Tradeify. I buy straight to funded accounts. Lucid, I buy straight to funded accounts. I really hate messing with the evals. I hate trying to pass them. I really do. Especially when you're to the point where you can get payouts consistently. I just need to be able to hold on to my funded accounts. Now, the funny thing is like when you say, well, I hate doing evals, right? And then I say to myself, well, if you just kept your funded accounts around longer, dummy, then you wouldn't have to do evals over, right? That's me talking to myself. Because I'm like, oh man, I hate doing evals. Well, it's necessary to get funded accounts. But then, like, if I keep my funded accounts around longer, not degen them sometimes, start clicking buttons or go full port, like I did with my funded futures builder account today. I activated it, hit daily loss limit. Pass the account in one trade, right? Because you know it's like you're pretty much just sending it at that point. And then I activated the account. I got practically in the same trade. It went against me, and I ended up hitting daily loss limit. Stupid. Where do you get the inside outside bar indicator? Sure. Right here. LDT inside outside bars. Tyler in the house. Probably much more than 20,000 a day. Probably at this point. All right. My buffering, I got so many tabs up. Me get rid of the tabs. Might be YouTube. It might be me too. Do you know when the no fee 40 is over with Take Profit Trader? I feel like it's here to stay. No, I don't. It's definitely here to stay. No, I think my internet's lagging. Again. I might look into Starlink. So you guys use Starlink? You guys like it? Internet? All right, bouncing off that Finet fair value gap, 610s. Doesn't show up. So you go right here. You go down to community indicators. Explore community indicators. And then you go inside. I think this will work. Yeah, just type in inside and it'll pop up. Latter day trader inside outside bars. 3,818 people. All right, getting that move down here. Pay for the month you need it, etc. Oh, okay. That's good to know. Oh, we're gonna take out that wick there. You Starlink bear trader? Oh, nice. What's good, Sinister Scalper? Bam in the house. Bam trades. Bonneville. No problem. Exclamation point pine in the chat if you guys want to join the giveaway. I got 150K Lucid Flex to give away. You guys robbed me of all my accounts. But we do have a new month. I can request more Lucid accounts in a few days. So I think next week. And then we can request... I'm going to make a request for Apex. I'm going to make a request for My Funded Futures. I might even try to hit up Tradeify. Tradeify really doesn't give out accounts too often, though. They really don't like giving out accounts. Giving away accounts. Hope you win. Yeah, we're going to try to run it a little bit differently. Like I said, I'm going to draw some names out of the hat, basically off the Streamlabs. And then, all right, maybe we hold that low. I'm going to take it off at right here. I'm going to take it off. So up 380. This must be an intraday trailing drawdown account, too. Is this a shotgun? Yeah, we'll probably do a shotgun. No, it's not shotgun yet. We still got some time left in the stream. I plan on streaming for another hour. There it goes. It's starting to run that wick. I kind of think we'd run that wick there. But inside and outside bars paying pretty well tonight. So I'm starving today. I'm going out for some pizza. Going out for some pizza and beer later. Should be fun. Do a shotgun, but only for a minute so the boss can't get in. Yeah. Am I gonna wear the moose hat while I draw? Yeah, for sure. I got my Dr. Dre shirt on today, so it's a good day. Dr. Phil shirt. Only Dr. Phil that's on Kill Tony. Who's that comedian does Dr. Phil? It's Adam Ray. All right, we swept that low of that wick here. Now what is it going to do? It's going to pop back up. This was that little news candle. We still have lots of room to the downside. I mean, we have a low at 541, so pretty good range. All kinds of zero prints and gaps down in here. Meet me outside, that's right. Asia comes back on tonight. Yeah, actually, I think, yeah, Tokyo Open is real in 1 hour. I believe so. Today was actually a good day. Ice Cube play? Yeah. Ice Cube. I love that song. I actually have a short. I don't know if I posted on just Instagram or if it was 311 watching. Let's go. I don't remember what that was. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Guys, follow me on the gram. Pine Tree Trader 207. Give me a follow. Is this it? I think this is it. Yeah, this is today was a good day.
To the pad and hit the showers. Didn't even get no static from the.
That's how you get. What's the whip? Toyota Corolla, my man. Toyota Corolla 2005. Toyota Corolla. Got SED rocked in your car? Heck yeah. Yeah, full tilt futures. Just chilling in my 21-year-old Toyota. Cali St. Louis fan. Oh yeah, man. I had a lot of West Coast rap when I was a kid. 90s West Coast. Man, all the Snoops, Dr. Dre's, Ice Cubes, West Coast connections, all kinds of stuff. Let's take a little scalp here. Boom! A little scalp off that outside bar. Had to be quick on that one. Took it up to the VWAP. It could keep pumping here, but smacked that TP off that VWAP for about 6-7 points. I can't kill it, Sinister Scalper. If it dies, I'll buy another car, but 36 miles to the gallon. Now, the roof does leak, but there's no rust on the thing. The thing came from a Corolla. I have both. I have Corolla and a Saturn. My brother's using the Saturn, or was using the Saturn for to do Walmart Spark, but it came from Florida, so there's no rust. And usually 2005s up in Maine, the Corollas, the rocker panels just rust right out of them. And this one has like no rust, and I can't kill it. It's got 239,000 on it. 230 something 9,000, I think. I just drive the crap out of it. I get in it and I go. Bro gave away more money in accounts last month than his car cost. Bam Trades, I paid, you know what I paid for that car? Seriously. I paid $300 for that car. There was a girl that she abused the car bad. She abused it. She never did an oil. It was a younger girl. Didn't respect the car at all. Completely trashed it. I mean, so much garbage and other things in that car, like nasty, right? Blew a rear tire. So she blew the rear tire. Well, she got hit in the rear. It blew the rear tire because the alignment was so far off that it just wore the tire right off. And she blew it. And then it came, the rubber came out and took out the brake hoses and the brake lines. So it took out all the brake lines and everything like that. And it ended up at my old man's shop. So I ended up at the shop and just sat out back for a while. And I walked out back once. I'm like, what the heck is this car? I'm like, whose Corolla is this? And they're like, oh, it's just the customers. And I'm like, geez, I wonder if they want to sell it. It had been sitting for like 6 months. I threw a battery in it. I fired it up. It was so disgusting. I ripped the interior right out of it. I put a new rug in it. A new carpet. And I fixed the brake lines. I fixed the brake hose and put gas in it. And I've been driving it for like 3 years. I can't kill it. I love it. Echo Trader in the house. Got a joint downtown barbecue sandwiches, the best Vietnamese. Oh, let's go, iTrades. Investors. My hoopty, show off like the dweebs, show off the Lambos on the social media. Well, first of all, I probably could buy a Lamborghini with payments, but I can't buy a Lambo. Like, it's just not practical. I figure my marketing and affiliate business is not based off from Lambos. Now, you're right about that full tilt futures. So what you see on social media when it comes to people having fancy cars, usually, not always, but usually it's the influencers that are trying to sell you a course or sell you a membership or something like that. And they'll say, look at my cars, look at my apartment, look at my house. This could be yours too if you pay $299 for this course, or $5,000 for this course, or if you join my mentorship for $300 a month. You too could have this Lamborghini or whatever. That's usually the case. Most of the time, like the people that in the affiliate business that are not really selling you that kind of stuff, they don't really care about all that. I mean, there's not many. There might be just a few that are not trying to actually sell you something, that show off the cars and stuff. But you know what I'm saying. They're all leased anyway. Yeah, exactly. But some people are just into cars. And the thing is, I grew up with cars. My father's a mechanic. I grew up in an automotive shop. I appreciate a nice car. If I see a nice car or whatever, I appreciate it. I am a dude, and I like nice cars, but for me, it's just never been something that I strive for. I mean, I'm most proud of my home. You know, that's what I'm most proud of, is my house. And it's pretty modest. I mean, it's a nice house, but it's modest. It's not anything crazy. But, you know, when you build something yourself and build it the way you want it, that's where I put all my money. I did have some Harleys, so I did go through that in my 20s. I went through I was making, you know, decent money at the post office, and I got into the whole rat race of buying new motorcycles and stuff. But now it's like I have more enjoyment just going out to dinner. I guess I'm just getting old. It's like I go out to dinner and be able to pay and buy whatever I want at dinner. That's an awesome thing. If I can take my whole family out to dinner and throw down and pay for the whole thing, to me, that is like such a good feeling, you know. And I've done that a few times recently, where, you know, I take my dad, my brothers and sisters, and stepmother and whatever. We all go out to dinner, and I just, you know, I can just pay it all, you know, and that feels like a blessing, you know, in a way. That's what I enjoy. And going on trips, like if I go on a vacation, if I happen to go to Vegas, it's whatever I want. I'll buy and do whatever I want. Like if I want to do something, I do it. If I want to take a helicopter ride, I take the helicopter ride. You know, I don't try to budget it or anything like that. But in turn, I drive a 21-year-old car. Like, because I don't have any payments or anything like that, you know, I don't. That's just where my priorities are. You enjoy cooking, Dan? Yeah. If I had more people in the house, I would cook more, I guess. Like if I had kids and stuff like you, Dan, like I'd probably be cook more. It's tough to cook for just you or just you and another person sometimes. And then like, you know, people want to eat differently, and so I don't know, I just find it tougher. But for me personally, I don't really cook much. I'll like barbecue. I'll throw on stuff on the barbecue, but now I can't eat red meat, so that sucks. But cash in the bank's better than a Lambo, yeah. What's up? Investors in the house. $27-year-old car and it leaks too, yeah. Yeah, my roof leaks. Wow, this is pushing back up here off this outside bar. It's just gonna keep grinding here. What are we gonna do? Try to fill this 2-minute fair value gap? Is that what's happening? Guys, do me a favor, smash that like button. Where are we at with the likes? 294. Thank you so much. 371 watching. We lost some viewers there. Love food. Me too. I love to eat it. Yeah, I'm trying to lose a little, but that's tough too. Yeah, right, Brian. I know. Please stay patient. Funny thing is, I don't know why I didn't print one of those Finet fair value gaps. Isn't that this right here? We just smacked 50% of it. It actually didn't print one. Pulling back. So up 467 tonight on this eval. Just a reminder that if you guys are trading with Apex and They are the 90% off sale ends in 6 hours. So I appreciate you guys use code PIME. If you're picking up any of those accounts, appreciate the support. Last candle low. Oh, didn't get low enough to be a fair value gap. Oh, okay. That's probably why. So the indicator was correct. Trust the indicator, I guess. Oh, maybe this is what it is. Oh, it printed it right here, actually. But yeah, you're right, Brian, I guess. The indicator did print it. It's just there. It's kind of a weird... Because it was at... kind of a data candle. Some sort of news candle. So anyways, guys, yeah, so that's one little nugget that I wanted to tell you is, you know, just be aware and watch for this pattern if you're interested in this type of trading, inside and outside bars. But yeah, just watch for this pattern right here. An inside followed by an outside. It can eliminate a lot of bad trades. And yeah, just kind of like go back through the chart and just like watch and just look for it. And you can see that it works pretty decent. You have another one right here. Didn't get that much off it, but you got something. So take the break here, and then it pushed right up to 30s to 50, so 20 points or so. During a slower market too, so like 5 a.m. I also find that an outside bar followed by an inside bar can actually work pretty good. But what I like to do is I go back through the charts when I'm sitting on the couch during the week on the weekends and stuff, and I'll just kind of observe this stuff and I'll just look at it, and all it really does is just give me confidence to come back Monday and the next week and to wait and be patient and to take those setups. That's the only thing it really does. So people are like, well, back testing doesn't work or anything like that. No, I mean, I get it. Like, markets change and historical data doesn't mean crap in today's market. But sometimes it can just give you that confidence to trade what you see on the chart. And that could be tough sometimes. Especially when you tilt one day or 2 days and then you kind of lose confidence. And then next thing you know, you're like, I need a new strategy. Well, it has nothing to do with your strategy. It just has everything to do with you being an idiot. That's what it has to do with. It has nothing to do with the strategy that you've passed countless evals on. You've gotten tons of payouts on. You know, it has nothing to do with that. It can't have anything to. It can't be you. It has to be the strategy. Well, trust me, it's not. It's not the strategy. You can have there's all kinds of different ways to make money. I told you guys I flipped a coin one day and passed an eval. I literally just flipped the coin over and over and over again with ES during the New York Open. Had a risk 1 to make 2. Maybe it was even risk 1.5, risk 1 to make 1.5 or something. And I just flipped the coin. Every time it landed on heads, I went long. Every time it landed on, and then the trade would finish, I'd flip again. If it hit tails, I'd go short. I just did that over and over and over and over again. Made $3,000. I showed it on stream, the data, off Trade of 8 once, and passed an eval. It's crazy. All right, kind of hovering around. What's where we at with likes here? I bet we're at 300 now. 306, let's go. I gotta figure out how we're gonna do this. Look at the top points. We got Mo. We got Uncle Mo, generic person 123. Look at all the points. Huge support of the channel. Haven't seen Uncle Mo in a hot minute. He might be lurking. He lurks sometimes. And Terry Trades 100. His Royal Trades third place. InvestStars. Big Mike in the top 5 now. Biblical, number 6. And Medine, number 7. Where's Uncle Mo? I haven't seen him in a bit. Just ain't right. There he is. See? He's there. He's right there. Told you he's lurking. He's still number 1. Still number 1. You want to do the giveaway early? Everyone's probably like, yeah, you want to do the giveaway. All right. Well, let's see how many people we got in there. Are we gonna do the shotgun? Let's do the shotgun. Why not? Let's do it for 2 minutes. Start giveaway, shotgun. And we're gonna do things a little different. So members are getting extra tickets. And then we're gonna draw 10 names. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. We had 400 in there. So here's how it's gonna work today. This is not gonna be every time, but I only have one account. So you can see the tickets right here, 48, but you can see the members, like Trader's Nest, is getting 6 tickets. And then I'm gonna pick winner. I'm gonna see how this works. I don't know how this is gonna work, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna pick winner, and then I'm gonna add them into the race. Whoever the win, and then I'm gonna do 20, and then the top 20. Holy moly! Wow, we got an update on our... Look at these races. Wow, it's like real life. We're going to have to do the camel race. We're going to have to do that. And then I'm just going to, copy and paste them in till we get 20 names. But I'll give you guys 30 more seconds. Get it in here. 30 seconds trying to eliminate some of the bots. Smash that like button. And I noticed that I didn't have it on live chat today. So if I missed some of your questions or whatever, I'm sorry. I had it on top chat. So it might have been the reason why I missed some of you guys. Apologize. I got it on live chat now, but... All right, you guys, come on. Get it in, exclamation point Pine. All right, closing entries. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Closing entries. Okay, this is an experiment, all right? Let's see how this works. Let's see how this works. All right, I'm going to pick some winners here. Pick winner. Elite weapon. This is number 1. Going in the race. Number 2. Not Dexter X. Going in the race. Number 3. Trader Moe's. So it pays to be a member. You guys get the extra tickets going in the race. Picking winner here. BK Trade 73. You are going in the race. I'm gonna pick 20 names here. I'm doing it a little different tonight because we only have one account to give away. And I wanted the members to get a little little extra there. So, all right, picking another winner here. Simple Trader. Congratulations, you're going in the race. Next winner here, Gray Intersection. 60, you're going in the race. Pick another winner here. Underrated Clips. You're going in the race. Visible ID. Congratulations. You're going in the race. Harmony Halo Hub. Congratulations. You're in the race. Jip Smith. All right. You're going in the race. All right, now I gotta race everyone. Gonna race you guys. Guess you can only do 10 at a time. No duplicates either. Like, we're not gonna do any duplicates on the winners. All right, pick some more winner here. Next winner, Elias Thorne. Congrats. So 10 more here. And we got Rufio. Congratulations. Brian Tang. Congrats. JLD 54. Congrats. Too old to trade. Love that. Never too old to trade. This is why I do this. I figure I can at least do this till I'm, you know, my brain still works. JLB 2T2. JLB, is this? Oh no, that's JLD. All right, that's. I thought we had a dupe, an alt there. That was JLD. JLB is different. Congrats. KB the closer. Congrats. Yeezus. All right, another member. All right. See, the member thing did work. It did pay. Horizon Trades. Congratulations. And Kim Trades 83. I believe that's the last one. Oops. Yeah, that's 20. Congratulations. All right, we have our race. Winner takes all. Camel race time. Never done this. Set. Oh, look at this. Oh, man. High def. Let's shuffle the characters. Congratulations. Now, I don't do this all the time. I usually run them all. But figured I had one account. So, especially, I usually try to give one of them, give our members a chance. So, I'm happy to see that it worked as far as the tickets, because we do have some members, so the odds of them getting in, some of them were better. So that's good. All right, guys. Let's do a camel race here. I need to get a camel hat. Let's go. Maybe I'll just start smoking some Marlboro, our camels. No, don't do that, kids. All right, here we go. Good luck. This is for a 50K Lucid account. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Who's it gonna be? You can see the names real nice too. Look at this. The camels are racing. The camel toe. Yeah, it's better than the moose knuckle race, right? Here we go. Who's it gonna be? Too old to trade out into the lead here. What about the other viewers? Not even a single chance of the race? Yeah, you did. I drew the names. Rufio, congratulations. Yeah, I drew the names. You had a 1 in 280 something chance. Congratulations, Rufio. Let's go. The hat is way too warm. Congrats. Who finished last? Oh, shoot. I already... Oh, no, it's here. Oh, no, I got rid of it. Shoot. Yeah, it's gone. Sorry. I already clicked off it. Congratulations. No one typed 1? Yeah, I know. That was cool. Pretty cool little new races on the online stopwatch. So this is what I use for the races, right? It's online stopwatch. So this just popped up today because this wasn't here yesterday. Greyhound dog race. I don't know about that. Horse race, camel race. So hopefully they come up with some more of those, and then you got all these ones, right? We're gonna have to do the bear race though eventually for a bear trader. He keeps trying to pump up the moose and it just doesn't work out. So we're gonna have to do a bear race eventually for the bear trader. He's always promoting my stuff on Twitter. Yeah, Rufio. Oh yeah, congratulations, and you're a member. That's pretty awesome. Actually, I can get you your account right now. Let's go. You know what I like about doing it that way is that it eliminates a lot of people that put in more than once. Because there's like a ton of people like that put in all their bots and stuff. Like they enter like 5, 6, 7, 8 times, probably even more. And with different emails and whatever, and that way it actually kind of eliminates the bots too, right? For the most part. But we'll see. Well, I'll do a vote next round. We'll do a vote, and we'll see if we do that again. Let me get Rufio his account here. Congratulations. Let's see. There you go, Rufio. Use that code for a 50K Lucid Flex account. Make us proud. Thank you guys for using code PINE with Lucid. It is the Pine Tree community's favorite prop firm. Personally, I like Take Profit Trader. That's my favorite. But as a community, everyone voted for Lucid as the #1. So congratulations there. Yeah, our Fox. Yeah, that I explained that earlier. I did it this way. I do members only giveaways every single day usually, and then I do the one giveaway for the Grays, which members can enter that too, which they have won. They've won twice on that as well. I don't know, lucky, but yeah, explained I only had one account tonight, so I did this way, where I gave the members extra tickets. So if you're a member, you got an extra ticket. So like Cali St. Louis fan got 6 extra tickets to possibly get into the race. So when I drew the names, they get an extra ticket. Everyone else gets 1 ticket if you're not a member. So that's why. You weren't gonna win anyway. Okay, you have like a 1 in 300 chance. You have a way better chance of going and push a button on a slot machine. But it's just fun, right? I won 2 giveaways, not through you. I'm still waiting on accounts. It's been 2 weeks. Oh, wow. Yeah, giveaways are a blessing, right? There's people that absolutely, they appreciate it that we try to do these giveaways, but they're a pain in the ass for me. And then there's some people that have such resentment when you do giveaways and they don't win. Like I see it all the time. People are like, it's rigged. I have proof that Stock Tiger is rigging the giveaways. Rigging the giveaways. If he wanted to rig the giveaway, I can take all those accounts as an influencer and keep them for myself. Stock Tiger can take those giveaway accounts and keep them for himself. He doesn't have to give away any of them. If Lucid gives me 10 accounts, I can just literally keep them for myself and use them. Same with Take Profit Trader or Apex or anything. So it's just so funny that I'll see that people say, oh, they rigged the giveaway. Well, rigged it towards you or against you. You need to go check yourself in the mirror. It's not all about you. I'm looking at you. It's not all about you. It's kind of funny in that way. Holy mochaccino, guys. Oh yeah, TJP. TJP. Yeah, if it's a bigger influencer and they're not doing any giveaways whatsoever, they don't pay for one single account. I'll just put it that way. They're probably not paying for one account that they're actually trading. Yeah, no. Especially the bigger ones, they get tons. The bigger you are, the more accounts you get. So they base it off the amount of sales you make, all that good stuff. So it's pretty awesome though. I mean, I feel very, very fortunate to be able to give away accounts to people. And I mean, I wish I could just go and give you all an account. I wish I could. I mean, I wish we could give all 300 people watching the stream an account. Say, here you go. But that's just not possible. And between all the My Funded Futures TVs and I know Methodical Man gives out accounts, myself, and there's a lot of accounts being given out, so it's pretty awesome. But yeah, 2 weeks is too much. I don't know. I'd reach back out to them as far as waiting for those accounts. Yeah. I don't give a damn anymore. No, I do. Did you enter the Ninja Trader competition? I did not. I did enter the Tradeovate one. No, Tradeify. Yeah, I entered Tradeify. You guys sign up for the Tradeify competition yet? I don't know if you still can. I think you can. Thank you guys for using code Pine with Tradeify. Let's use my code more for Tradeify, and then they can make me one of those ambassadors, so I can get some nice publicity. Hopefully, maybe next time they run a tournament, then I can get some publicity off it. I do have 5 Tradeify accounts that I'm actually been trading. I'm practically break even on them. I haven't really been talking about them much, but I do have 5 Tradeify accounts. And they do have that competition going on, so I think it's free to enter. I don't think you need a yeah, I'm actually underwater on I have 5 lightning funded 50Ks. I'm actually underwater on them. I'm at 49,313. I had a nice win on them today, right around $600. But yeah, still down on those accounts. You know, a guy on YouTube has no giveaways during the day. Yeah. I'm sure. I mean, if you ask, they'll give you accounts. They might not ask for accounts, but with Lucid, I can ask for accounts. I'll show you what it looks like. It's basically, I can't show you, but basically with Lucid, it's nice. Like I think once a month, Lucid has the best affiliate dashboard when it comes to that stuff. They really just do it right. So you can just easily request accounts. And I asked you guys what accounts you wanted. Yeah, so I can request in 7 days. I'll show you right here. I can request in 7 more days. So it's once every 21 days. And then I can request these accounts here. And you guys wanted the Lucid Flex accounts, 50Ks. So I requested those last time, and they were nice enough to give us some of those accounts there. So appreciate everyone using code Pine with Lucid. I think I might call it early tonight. I am going to go... When are we going to go hit the hot pots next? BAM trades? I don't know. I haven't gone to the casino in a hot minute. Yeah, I just been took a little chill pill on it. But yeah, I think I might call it early tonight. I'm gonna end up going out for a little pizza. I'm gonna go get some pizza, have a drink, kind of enjoy the rest of the night. So we'll do that. Do they charge me for the accounts? No, they don't charge me. I request them, and then they give them to me just to give away to you guys, or I can use them myself. You like TradeC? Nice. Yeah, My Funded Futures is coming out with a new platform. We'll see how that goes. I have not seen it yet, but we'll see how it goes. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much. Appreciate everyone using code Pine. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Don't forget that Apex 90% off sale ends tonight. Plus, use code Pine with all the other props. Trade Day, Pine with the capital P. Trade Day, Pine with the capital P. It's case sensitive. If you guys would like to help support this channel and then all the other major props, use code Pine. Appreciate the support, and we'll do it again. Look for those little nugget there. Look for those inside bars followed by an outside bar breaks. Those are good ones on the 5-minute chart. Take a look on the charts. Look for this pattern here. It's a nice little pattern. All right, guys. Have a good night. Pretty good trading tonight, up 467. And we'll do it again tomorrow. And I'll see you back here Sunday night.
Yeah. Pine Tree Trader in the building.
Peace.
We talking price action, we talking freedom. From the charts to the screen, we live. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. I wake up, sun hitting the pines, eyes on the candle, market volatility, more than most can handle. I'm looking for the setup, yeah, the vision is clear. Inside bar forming, till the doubt disappeared, then we break the range outside bar, high stakes. Patience is the virtue, waiting for the breaks. I don't chase the wick, I let the price come to me. Trading with the flow, that's the Pine Tree strategy. Inside, outside, catching every move, take profit trader, yeah, we in the groove. Daily payouts hitting, checking off the list, Apex Trader 5. The profits exist, hosted on the TV, funded futures the name. Lucid in the vision, we ain't playing no game. Clicking buttons with precision, take profit is the goal. Managing the risk, gotta keep my control. From the Apex heights to the Trader 5 flow. Stacking up the wins, then I'm looking for more. I'm live on the air, funded futures TV, showing every trade, total transparency. Lucid charts open, keeping everything bright. Scalping through the morning, holding through the night. It's a funded life, no more trading my own. Built a kingdom of capital, sitting on the throne. Withdraw requests, yeah, I hit it every day. Pine Tree Trader, man, I'm leading the way. If it's red or it's green, I'm staying composed. Another daily payout, another door closed. Then it's back to the screen when the bell starts to ring. The rhythm of the market is a beautiful thing. Inside bar, hold, outside bar, go. Watch the P&L just continue to grow. Yeah, daily payouts, funded futures TV. Shout out Apex, shout out Trader 5. Keep it lucid, we out.